people of the United States in order to form a more perfect union and secure the blessings of liberty. The First Amendment protects your core freedoms. It ensures freedom of religion and speech. It also protects the press and the right to assemble peacefully. The Second Amendment is very important. It protects the right of the people to keep and bear arms. The Third Amendment is very important. It says soldiers cannot stay in your house, not without your consent in peacetime, and only as prescribed by law in war. The Fourth Amendment protects your privacy. It stops unreasonable searches. Your home is your castle. Let's explore the Fifth Amendment. It protects you in legal matters. You cannot be tried twice for the same crime, and you have the right to remain silent. Knowledge is your superpower. The Sixth Amendment gives you the right to a speedy and public trial, an impartial jury, and to know what you're accused. You also have the right to an attorney. This ensures fairness for everyone in court. The Seventh Amendment guarantees a jury trial. This applies to federal civil cases for disputes over $20. It preserves our common law. The Eighth Amendment is very important. It prevents excessive bail or fines and bans cruel punishments. This ensures justice for everyone. Let's explore the Ninth Amendment. It notes that we have more rights than those listed in the Constitution. The powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. The 11th Amendment. The judicial power of the United States by citizens of the United States or subjects of any foreign state.
The electors shall meet in their respective states and vote by ballot for president and vice president, one of whom at least shall not be an inhabitant of the same state with themselves.
Whereof the party shall have been duly convicted, shall exist within the United States or any place subject to their jurisdiction, without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. Section 1. Citizens of the United States to vote. The Congress shall have power to enforce this article by appropriate legislation. The 16th Amendment. The construed to authorize any tax on incomes with articles shall not be construed to authorize any tax which shall not be uniform throughout the United States. The Senate of the United States shall be composed of 2 senators from each state. The electors in each state shall have the qualifications requisite for electors. The 18th Amendment. Section 1. The manufacture, sale, or transportation of intoxicating liquors is prohibited.
The 19th Amendment. Section 1. The right of citizens to vote shall not be denied. Section 2. Congress shall have power to enforce this article.
Section 1 fixes term dates. Section 2 sets annual meetings. Section 3 addresses succession. Section 4 fills vacancies.
Section 1 repeals the 18th and 2, regulates the transportation or importation of intoxicating liquors.
The 22nd Amendment. Section 1 sets a 2-term limit for presidents. Section 2 addresses the ratification process. Section 3 details when it takes effect.
Section 1 grants Washington, D.C. presidential electors. Section 2 gives Congress enforcement power. Section 3 outlines ratification. Section 1 bans poll taxes in federal elections. Section 2 grants Congress enforcement power.
Section 1 covers presidential succession. Section 2 fills vice presidential vacancies. Section 3 allows temporary power transfer. Section 4 and 5 involve declaration of inability.
The 26th Amendment. Section 1 grants voting rights at 18. Section 2 gives Congress enforcement power. Section 3 set effect on July 1, 1971. Section 1 delays congressional pay changes until the next election. Section 3 records the effective date as May 7, 1992.
If you need detailed description of every amendment, please comment below. Thanks to visit my page.